Hi, I'm Jason Matthews, owner of Matthews Painting Company in Warsaw, Indiana. We continue our tutorial videos that we show all of our new employees as we train them to become professional painters, also to repair drywall. We're going ahead and we're going to finish our video here. This is our third video on how to fix a cracked corner. As we mentioned, if it was a small crack, we would just use paintable caulk. However, when you have something that's cracked severely in a corner, or your drywall paper tape is lifting or buckled, that would have to be cut out and then a new piece of paper tape put in there over wet joint compound. This is now our third and final coat. We already have our first coat that we did with a narrow 4-inch drywall knife. This second coat, we used a 6-inch wide, came out a little wider. Now we're gonna go ahead and use an 8-inch wide. You don't have to go out as far as an 8-inch wide knife, but for sake of illustration, that's what we're going to use today. We're going to go ahead with what we already have mixed up here, a 45-minute quick set joint compound. I start above my repair, laying my knife down, and I want to start below my repair. I want to come past my last coat, so that when I come to sand, that will sand much easier. Now some folks will just do one side because it is difficult to do two sides at once, and that's fine. You can do one side, let it dry, come back and do the other side. But here at Matthews Painting, we try to do them together. Saves a little bit of time, and you're not coming back to it 6 different times. Rather, we just come back 3 times. So I'm going to spread this out over my repair. Need a little bit more joint compound here. There we go. Now I'm going to start taking the joint compound off into my hand, so you'll see me lift my knife up a little bit and bring that excess joint compound into my pan. One more swipe here. That side is done. We'll do the same thing here. This is where you have to be a little bit careful getting into your corner. And now we have our third and final coat of joint compound on this corner. The next video will show how we sand that repair. For more information, you can contact us at matthewspainting.com.